Today we are going to study about the English subject, and now I will show you some pictures and ask some questions on that. Then we will go further on a math topic. So let's start. What is the name of this? Yes, this is wind farm. It is working with the help of wind energy. It produces electricity. Next, what is the name of this? Yes, this is turbine. It is working with the help of kinetic energy. It produces electricity. So, students, today we are going to study about a similar, the new energy, which is solar energy. So, let's begin our new topic of Unit 4 of Activity 4, Solar Energy. So, let's concentrate on the paragraph. I will read out, then will explain and then ask some questions on that. So, listen carefully. In your science book, you have read about energy. Do you know what is meant by solar energy? Well, it is the energy from the sun. Solar means from the sun. As you already know, the sun is a bright star. The earth and other planets move around it. This is our solar system. We studied about solar energy in our science book. So, solar means, first of all, solar energy. So, solar energy means the energy from the sun. We get the energy from the sun, which is solar energy. And solar means from the sun. So, which is related with the sun, that is solar. So, it is solar energy. Now, we can see, you can see that here, this is a picture of sun. The sun is bright star, not an ordinary star. This is our solar system. You can see that in this picture, in middle of that is the sun and other planets, which is Mercury, Venus, Mars, Earth, Jupiter, Uranus, Saturn, Neptune. These all are move around the sun. So, it calls our solar system. Now, I will ask some questions on that. What is solar energy? Yes, solar energy means the energy from the sun. What is the meaning of solar? Yes, solar means from the sun. The earth and other planets move around the which star? Yes, the earth and the other planets move around the sun. Now we will go further. In India, the sun usually shines very brightly. That is why the Indian summer is extremely hot and long. All of us have experienced the hot summer days. We feel restless during this season. The strong sun rays cause sunstrokes too. We are forced to protect ourselves from the harsh rays of the hot summer sun. However, we have invented many ways of protecting ourselves from the scorching heat. So, in this paragraph, it is talking about the Indian summer days. We people are Indian, so we all are aware about the hot and long summer days because in India the sun shines very brightly during summer days. So during these days people don't like to go outside at noon because of the sunstrokes and scorching heat. We find some other options to protect ourselves from the summer days, and they find some other options for their relaxation. Here the word sunstroke. It is one kind of heat. So we don't like to go outside at noon. That is because the sun stops. And the other word scorching heat. It is also one kind of heat. So that is why we find some other options to protect ourselves during summer days. In which country the sun usually shine very brightly? And the answer is in India, usually the sun shines very brightly. During which season we feel restless? And the answer is during summer days we feel restless. What is the opposite word of hot? And the answer is cool. What is the opposite word of long? And the answer is short. What is the meaning of the word summer? And the answer is unado. From which we are forced to protect ourselves? And the answer is from harsh rays of hot summer sun. We are forced to protect ourselves. So we all know that the scientists do research on the hot sun rays and they are successfully converted the hot sun rays into electricity, and we can here see that this is solar cell and it is working with the help of hot sun rays and it makes electricity. We can use this electricity for various purposes. We are using various energy for various purposes, and we know that for running our vehicles we need energy. For lights our home we need energy, and for lights our streets we need energy. We need energy for cooking our food also. And running factories, we need energy. For use TV, television, we need energy. We need energy for use a computer also. So there is various energy source also like coal, petrol, water and wind. Here we all use various energy for various purposes, and the various energy also available for that. Now I will ask some questions. Who successfully converted the heat from the sun? And the answer is scientists successfully converted the heat from the sun. And the second question is, in which way we need energy? And the answer is, we need energy for running vehicles, running factories, for lights our homes and streets, for cooking our foods, for running television sets and computers, etc. And the third question is, what is the meaning of the word need? And the answer is jaruriyat. Then fourth question is, give the name of the various sources of energy. And the answer is coal, wind, water, petrol, etc. are the source of energy. Now we go further. Scientists have generated electricity from the sun rays. In fact, scientists believe that in a warm country like India, the sun can be a major source of energy. During recent times, numerous experiments have been conducted in Gujarat to tap this natural source of energy. The heat from the sun rays is utilized to produce electricity. People have already started making use of solar cookers, solar heaters, solar batteries, etc. Now I will explain and then ask some questions. Scientists have successfully converted the hot sun rays into an electricity. They are firmly believe that the country like in India can be a main source of energy. During recent times, in Gujarat, multiple experiments are running on the natural source of energy. They are using the hot sun rays for making an electricity. They already started to use solar cooker, solar heater, solar batteries, etc. Now I will ask some questions on that. Who generated electricity from the sun rays? And the answer is, scientists generated the electricity from the hot sun rays. Next question is, in which country the sun can be a major source of energy? And the answer is, in India, the sun can be a major source of energy. What is the opposite word of major? And the answer is minor. Where did numerous experiments have been conducted? And the answer is, in Gujarat, numerous experiments have been conducted. What is the meaning of the word experiments? And the answer is akhatara. I will take your evaluation test. The first question is, give the answer of the following questions in a one sentence. First question is, what is the title of the topic? And the answer is, the title of the topic is solar energy. Second question is, around which star all the planets are moved? And the answer is, around the sun all the planets are moved. Third question is, what is the meaning of the word summer? And the answer is, the meaning of the word summer is unado. Second question is, give opposite words of the following words. First word is strong and the answer is weak. Second word is major and the answer is minor. Third word is long and the answer is short. Now I will give you assignment. This is your assignment. Write down short note about the importance of other energy sources. I will check tomorrow. Thank you.